Hello friends, welcome once again to Rick's Garage. This is just a brief video today. What I wanted to talk to you about was cleaning that nasty stuff called ethanol out of your small engine carburetors. I just posted a video a couple days ago where I had to clean the ethanol out of my carburetor on my snowblower. Because of the mild winter last year, I allowed the gas to sit for almost 2 years. So the carburetor was pretty well gummed up with this ethanol gel. I was grasping at straws trying to clean this carburetor. I was kind of scrounging around for little tiny drill bits. I was using pieces of wire welding rods. I even went as far as to pluck some strands out of my wire brush. So I've got a new kit I just ordered. I figured there had to be a better way to clean this carburetor than scrounging around for this stuff. So the purpose of this video is I want to show you that new kit I just purchased. So what I've come up with is a little kit that's available on Amazon. It's called a Carburetor Jet Cleaner set. It comes with these little rods. They're all attached in a little case, and they're all different sizes. The smallest of these looks like it's about the thickness of a human hair. So and they're all linked together so they can't get lost. It also comes with these rods that are in a ring. These are slightly larger rods. Looks like the smallest one is about maybe 10 or 15 thousandths. Comes with another one, slightly bigger ones, and then it's got all these little bottle brush type things. So it makes life certainly a lot easier trying to clean a carburetor. I got all this, and the thing only cost about 11 bucks for the set. And the other nice thing was I got it within 2 days. I ordered it on the 9th of December, and it was delivered to my doorstep the morning of the 11th. It's really a nice little kit, and I know it's kind of a brief video. I just wanted to show you this. The other thing I'm going to keep with it is a little needle nose type blower gun. It's good for blowing out air passages. So I'm going to keep all these together in a drawer, and it'll be my little carburetor jet cleaning kit. One common symptom of a carburetor that has ethanol damage is that it'll only run on full choke because the main jets are clogged. And the reason it'll only run on full choke is fuel can't get in through the normal way, and when you choke off the engine, it creates vacuum, and the vacuum from the engine is what's drawing in the fuel. Now once the motor starts to warm up a little bit, then you can crack the choke open a little bit to get a little more air in. But you're actually controlling the flow and the gas of the air with the choke, which is not good. So anyway, I finished working on this carburetor, and evidently using rudimentary tools, I was successful in cleaning it. So the next time it happens, I'll have some decent stuff here to work with. Hopefully it will not happen again. So that's all I've got. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. To your left, I'll post 2 videos, one of which will be that job I did cleaning the carburetor, and the other will be something hopefully you find of interest. Feel free to click on either one. And to your right will be a picture of my trusty German Shepherd, my avatar. Feel free to click on him if you wish to subscribe. So thanks once again for watching.